Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Uphold mobile app to manage your account. Let's get straight into it. First off, you want to download and install the Uphold mobile app. So you can get that from the App Store for iOS devices, or you get that from the Google Play Store for Android devices. And once you have it, just open the Uphold mobile app and log into your account using your email address and password. Next, you want to navigate to the dashboard. So the dashboard provides an overview of your account, including your balance, transaction history, and market prices. Next, you can manage your funds. You can deposit funds into your Uphold account using a credit or debit card, or you could use bank transfer or any other supported methods. You can also withdraw funds from your Uphold account to a bank account or a credit or a debit card, or to any other supported method. You can also transfer funds between Uphold accounts or to Uphold users. Next is the buy and sell assets. So you can buy assets such as cryptocurrencies, precious metals, or other supported assets using your Uphold account balance. You can also sell these assets for supported assets or fiat currencies. Next is to monitor your account activities. So there are a couple of ways that you can monitor your account activities. You can check transaction history. So you can view your transaction history. That includes deposits, withdrawals, and trades. There's also account alerts. You can set up account alerts to notify you of large transactions or low balances or other important account activities. So when it comes to managing your account settings, you can manage your security settings, including two-factor authentication and account freezes. You can also manage notification settings. So you can manage your notification settings, including email and push notifications. You can also update your account information, including your name, email address, and password. So that's pretty much it on how to use the Uphold mobile app to manage your account. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found it useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.